Megavent Courtyard Retractable Roof, redefining outdoor living. Courtyards are a cherished addition to any living space. No more sweltering in the heat, getting drenched by rain, or shivering in the cold. Just a push of a button is all it takes to transform your courtyard. Megavent's Courtyard Retractable Roof is built to last, using non-corrosive materials like aluminum alloy profiles, stainless steel fasteners, EPDM rubber ceilings, and polycarbonate sheets that are not only incredibly durable, but also lightweight. Megavent offers a comprehensive warranty package, including a 10-year warranty on polycarbonate sheets, a 15-year warranty on the powder coating of aluminum profiles, and a 3-year warranty for EPDM. Make your neighbors envious and create unforgettable moments right in your own home. It's time to take back your courtyard with Megavent.